Hi, and welcome to this quick warm-up using maderotherapy and On the Mend body oil. This session is designed to improve circulation and can be used before a workout or on its own for a quick refresh. Start by applying some On the Mend oil into the palms of your hands, and then gently just massage into your back, your hips, hamstrings, anywhere that feels a little tight. Then begin with the wood rolling, starting from your feet, working your way up. Maderotherapy increases circulation and improves fascia flow, creating more energy and releasing tension throughout the body. Don't forget to spend some extra time on the belly and the sides, and especially under your arms, head, and neck. Finish the session by stepping into a deep lunge and reaching from side to side, getting one last final stretch. Sip, smile, repeat if necessary, and we'll see you next time.